So today in class what we did is we looked at how CPI changes from year to year, and we calculated and figured out how to determine our CPI, our Consumer Price Index. But we don't really care about the Consumer Price Index just because we can calculate it. We care about prices for a very specific reason. And if you look at this, this cartoon kind of helps you figure out why you care about prices. Because imagine if prices got really, really high, but your salary stayed pretty low. We talked about it. I think we looked at this class or this picture in class, and we talked about the idea is that you don't feel very rich when that happens. But if these things were reversed, if the salary were really tall and the price of these products you had to buy were really small, you would feel very rich. And so what we want to do today is we want to figure out whether people are doing better or worse than they used to, which is a popular question sometimes. Are we better off today than we were 10 years ago? And so you're going to have to answer this question about Babe Ruth versus Alex Rodriguez. How the times change, right? When I made this question originally, A-Rod was like actually a popular guy, and now maybe not so much. So I'm getting kind of old, but I haven't changed my celebrity here. So maybe I should change it to like Manny Machado or I don't know, somebody cool. You guys know cool people. Tell me somebody cool, I'll change it. All right, but this is going to be the formula. I'm going to walk you through a problem here, and then you're going to do this one for homework. So the problem you are going to see me do is Jay-Z and MC Hammer here. So last year, which we're going to say was 2013 actually, brought home $35 million. Meanwhile, 23 years ago, MC Hammer brought home $10 million. Who really makes more? So I'm going to show you how to do this. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to set up a proportion. And we can do this in two ways. We can figure out how much MC Hammer's $10 million is worth today, which we're going to call 2013. Or we can go the other way. We can figure out how much Jay-Z's $35 million was worth back in the day, which is 1990. So I'm going to start, I'm going to take the $35 million, and I'm going to put it up here, $35 million. All right. The Jay-Z brought home, again, we're calling this 2013. And we want to figure out how much that is back in MC Hammer's heyday of 1990. Now you'll notice I've got three CPIs here. And I told you that 23 years ago, assuming we're in 2013, MC Hammer brought home 10 million bucks. Well, you have three CPIs and you've got to figure out which ones to use. Well, you want to use your 175. So you're going to pair it like this. Okay, but do you use 95 or 1990? Well, it was 23 years ago, so 23 years back from 2013 gets you to 1990. So what the heck is this doing here, Mr. Sutton? It's doing a whole load of nothing. It's just meant to distract you, okay? So what happens on the AP test is things like this come up and students get confused and they start thinking too much, but we're going to ignore it. Now, could you solve for X here? I would certainly hope so. Okay? Go ahead and do that right now. I'll wait. So I came up with 9 million bucks. So that's what Jay-Z 35 mil was worth in 1990. So according to this, Jay-Z is doing worse today than MC Hammer was doing back in his day, because 35 million back today is only 9 million back in 1990. Now, if we did it the other way, if we turned MC Hammer's 10 million into today's dollars, if we could test this, it should be bigger than 35 million. Go try that right now. And check the next video, because I'll show you how I did it and we'll work into your homework, okay?